Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Kumar, the host of this channel. If you're new to here, don't forget to subscribe our channel Techy Bros. So in this video, I'm going to make a honest review and unboxing of this Amazfit Bip-U smartwatch. So please watch this video till the end. At the end, I'm going to make a honest review of this smartwatch. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. So let's get started. So guys, you can see the Amazfit Bip-U smartwatch box. So in this side you can get the more information and the features of this smartwatch. So there are lots of features packed with this smartwatch. So in the back side you get the manufacturer details and the price. When you come to the price, I brought it to the Flipkart and it priced about 3.5k. So if you want, I will provide the link in the description below. So let's unbox this watch. So here it is. At the first you get manuals or the documents about this smartwatch from Amazfit. You can use this for all the details and how to connect the smartwatch. So you can see the how pretty and very good looking this smartwatch is. So this smartwatch body is made up of a plastic and the strap is, I think, a good quality. So here you can get a charger. This is a magnetic charger, so you just bring of back side of the watch near to it, so it will get attached. So let's turn on the watch. In the next part of the video, I'm going to give a specification of the smartwatch and a honest review. So please watch this video till end. In this review part, I have used this smartwatch for a few hours and I didn't find any trouble or any bad thing in this smartwatch. So there are lots of features given in this smartwatch. So you can see all the features. I will show you how it looks when we wear the smartwatch on the hand. I doesn't feel any weight of the smartwatch because of its 31-gram lightweight body. So its raise to wake system also working very properly and decently. So let's check its heart rate monitoring, how much accurate it's working. So to work the heart rate monitoring properly, you should have to wear the band very tightly. So here you get the 89 BPM. So beneath this, you can get a graph of the heart rate monitoring and some more information related to it. That's you are relaxed or working. So this smartwatch also comes with a sleep tracking, so you can use while sleeping how much good quality you have got. So in the menu system or the app list, you can get these all the features or these are the apps. You also get an alarm feature. Just there is no sound effects, only vibration you can get. You can control your mobile's camera while the phone is only connected through the Zep app of Amazfit. So you can see the activity goal, the steps, the calorie burn, and the meters. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.